Hi guys, this is going to be a update on what I've been up to. And first of all, I want to apologise for the lack of content on my YouTube channel lately. I've been busy doing other things, and my daughter's been recently diagnosed as diabetic type 1, and everything's just, and COVID-19, need we say any more, guys? But yeah, apologies for the lack of content. But anyway, I've been up to 3D printing. My good buddy Brian actually got me a Mars printer and an Anycubic washer curer, and they're amazing. Absolute game changers for the hobby, guys. The amount of stuff you can print. If I can just try and I can't lift it with one hand. I was going to show you a print there that I've been working on. It's a Prowler. If I just actually put the camera down for 1 second, guys, I'll show you. Sorry for the black screen, but here we can see this is the hull, and look at the detail of that, guys. Absolutely stunning. I've hollowed out this hull from a tank called a Prowler. That was designed custom in a 3D software, and then the STL file, which is a printable file, was made available to buy. And as you can see, it looks wonderful. The amount of things you can print, guys, on these 3D printers are amazing. Now hopefully at some stage, you've seen my previous video showing you how to use the software. Hopefully I'll get a chance to show you how to actually use the 3D printing machine itself, which is very straightforward. But yeah, I just want to let you know that I am still loving the hobby. I am still doing loads of things in the hobby, and if you do want to see more of my stuff, go to the link below and go to my Facebook page, where I'm always updating on there, guys, as it's much easier and quicker to do so than uploading a YouTube video. But anyway, guys, I hope you like the thought of me getting into 3D printing, and if you've got any questions about 3D printing, or you need any information about 3D printing, head on over to my Facebook page and we'll start a discussion. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.